Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, we'll break down Repulse Monkey, one of the few movements in the Yang style forms that travels backward. This sequence is a great way to understand how waist rotation and hip power drive movement. We'll start by watching Repulse Monkey performed 3 times, just as it appears in the 108 form following fist under elbow. After that, we'll go step by step. Then we'll isolate the arm movements, the leg and footwork, and finally take a deeper look at the waist rotation and hip power that control the entire sequence. Full movement overview. Begin by allowing both arms to spread outward, palms facing up, while keeping the forward leg rooted. Next, circle the rear hand up toward the ear as you gather the forward leg back underneath your body. Hold this arm position as you step the swing leg back, preparing for the strike. Now shift your weight backward, projecting the palm forward from beside the ear. As you do this, the forward arm retracts and lowers. Complete the strike as the forward forefoot settles down to the ground. Drop me a comment and let me know how doing Repulse Monkey feels to you. Legs and feet. As the arms spread, the forward toes rise, leaving only the heel in contact with the ground. As you circle the palm to the ear, draw the leg back with the toes angled downward. Step back by placing the ball of the foot on a parallel track, not directly behind the front foot, with the foot turned out about 45 degrees. As you begin to shift back, allow the forward foot to turn inward, pivoting on the heel. Once the rear heel settles, press the forefoot of the forward leg down as you complete the forward palm strike on that same side. Then repeat the sequence on the opposite side. Waist rotation and core power. Now let's look at the invisible driver of the movement, the core. Refer to the blue diagram to see the direction of rotation in the upper and lower waist. Using the Tai Chi Code, I am correlating the waist rotation and hip power in each movement with one of the essential 8 energies of Tai Chi. This is my personal analysis, which forms the foundation of the Tai Chi Code. If we break down core action to one direction of rotation from the upper waist, one direction of rotation from the lower waist, and power coming from either flexion or extension of the left or right hip, we end up with 16 possible unique combinations, 8 combinations when we remove mirror images. I believe those do represent the 8 energies of Tai Chi. The upper waist, driven by the upper abdominals near the base of the rib cage, directs the arms. This rotation projects the strike, supported by power from the hips. The lower waist, driven by the deep lower abdominals, controls rotation of the pelvis and lumbar spine. This is what creates a root, anchoring the body through the standing leg. Key principle: root and pivot. A critical principle here is this: never root a foot that needs to pivot. During the initial strike, the root shifts into the rear leg. This allows the forward foot to pivot freely on the heel. Only once the weight is fully back and the forward foot has returned to the forward-facing position do you re-establish root on the front leg. This is created using your lower abdominal rotation. At that moment, the forefoot lowers, adding power and completion to the strike. Now let's focus on the back step followed by the strike. Stepping back correctly depends on how you use your core rotation. Prior to retracting the right leg to step back, the upper waist turns to the left, projecting the right arm forward. The lower waist turns to the right, keeping the root on the right heel. We retract the right leg by reversing this rotation. Turn the upper waist to the right, beginning to move the left arm forward. Simultaneously, turn the lower waist to the left, removing the root from the right leg, allowing the right leg to retract. Complete the backward swing of the right leg by turning the lower waist back to the right. This pulls the pelvis and right leg back to the right, placing the ball of the right foot angled out 45 degrees. Now, the core is set up to begin the strike by extending the left hip. The entire waist keeps turning to the right, projecting a forceful strike with the left palm while fully transferring the weight to the right leg. Once the weight is back and the left foot has turned to face forward, the strike is completed by switching the root to the forward left leg. The full Yang Style 108 form with core rotations for every movement is available on my website. Check the description section. Elbow strike right, split right, split left, elbow strike left, ward off right. Grasp the sparrow's tail. Pluck right, shoulder strike right, elbow strike right, split right, ward off left, pluck left, shoulder strike left, roll back right, split right, elbow strike right, press left, push left, push right, push left. Single whip. Elbow strike right, shoulder strike right, pluck left, shoulder strike left, split left, elbow strike left, split left, push left, pluck right.